And it is now Home Minister Amit Shah who has taken to Twitter to apprise the national capital of the COVID situation and especially what is being done in terms of ramping up the healthcare facilities as Delhi is facing a shortage of beds. Now, this is a big announcement coming in from the Home Minister himself, who said that a 1,000 bed full-fledged hospital with 250 ICU beds is being developed for COVID patients. DRDO and Tata Trust are building the facility. Armed Forces personnel will man it. This COVID care center will be ready in the next 10 days. Amit Shah has also said that the Armed Forces personnel have been detailed for providing medical care and attention to COVID patients housed in railway coaches in Delhi. 8,000 additional beds have already been placed at Delhi government's disposal for making COVID care centers as per requirement. Piyush, my colleague, is with us on the phone line as he's picking up more details on the same. Piyush, we see how the center has intervened to make the situation better in Delhi, because we also know that the COVID numbers are surging like anything and the number is only going to increase. But what about this particular facility that the Home Minister is apprising Delhiites about? And I'm not too sure if Piyush is connected with us, but I believe our political editor Aishwarya Kapoor is still with us on the phone line. Over to you, Aishwarya, on the details coming in from the Home Minister.
Swesha, the Home Minister held a meeting with the Delhi Chief Minister not once but twice, and it was very clearly said that the 10,000 bed hospital which an NGO has basically offered will be handled by the ITBP and it will be ready. But then old habits die hard. Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi Chief Minister, once again tried to do politics over it, to which the Home Minister has categorically hit back and said very clearly that, as discussed in our meeting, the Delhi Chief Minister is already aware about it, that it will be ready within the next 3 to 4 days. Yes, it is understandable that the health situation in Delhi is becoming really critical and then sensitive because of the unprecedented situation which has been created by the pandemic of COVID-19. But then, to do politics over it, to raise questions over things which are already sorted. Yes, Sush.
Absolutely, Aishwarya. All right, thank you for those details.